So I told you this would happen with Shiba Inu. Did you take advantage of it? Did you miss or see the opportunity? If you missed it, it's fine. Got some good news for you. And I also want to state something about SHIB and about all of crypto. I think that a lot of people are waiting for some massive jump in a particular asset, like like Shiba Inu or Polygon or Cardano or Bitcoin or Ethereum. And I'm here to tell you something. It doesn't happen that way. You don't really wake up today and see a 30% move in Shiba Inu on a daily basis. What you see is small incremental daily moves that over time, 6 days, 10 days, add up to say 11% up over time. Okay. I realize it's a very basic statement, but I think a lot of people have this misconception and they're waiting for that big, massive gain in that happened in the last 24 hours. And then, oh, then I'm going to get in. That's not really how it works. Okay. So with that, two things: smash that like button, please. Helps me, helps you, helps SHIB, helps the SHIB army continue to spread the word. And number two, subscribe down below. Okay. So here's what I want to show you. Did you see it? And I told you this would happen. So I told you that the crypto market would start going up today after we had the Federal Reserve reveal yesterday where they basically did not raise the interest rates. I realize you probably don't care about that, but again, I have to cover it. I mean, I'm tired of talking about the interest rate and Federal Reserve and inflation and blah blah blah, but it was relevant. And what you see today is the crypto market starting to move back up as it digested what happened yesterday, the fact that there was, no real bad things that came out of that. And now we've started to move up. And I told you that this would happen and we would start to go up. And now you're starting to see SHIB move up. Okay. So let me show you this on this chart. I want to show you a couple of things. So number one, you're looking at the daily chart for SHIB. Okay. The candles, every single candle here that you see is 1 day's worth of trading data. And I want to show you something. If you simply just bought and sold on the daily chart for SHIB, going back to say January right here, this is when my software said buy and then it said sell. That's a 36% up. So if you put $1,000 in there, you would have made $360 worth of profit. But more importantly, you would not have lost that 38+%. Bought, sold, you would have pocketed the profit and you wouldn't have lost it because there's 40% down. That was a move down, right? Then we had another on the daily. We had another daily flash there, and that's another 23% up right there. So that's another 23% profit. You could use it, my software, to buy and sell there. And then again, more importantly, we would not have lost 29%. You pocketed the profit. Okay. And just recently, literally now, last couple of days, we've got now another momentum up. You've only had 3 buy alerts on the daily chart here. Now you can look at this chart down to 1 minute if you want to, but sometimes I will look at trading and just look at the daily chart. Like I've bought Bitcoin a couple of times this year just off the daily chart, like this, what you see for the Bitcoin chart. So it's buy and sell alerts on the daily. It makes trading a lot easier. And you can get in and get out. So my software, there's a link in the description below if you want to pick it up. And I just showed you how you could use it to make pretty good money. Obviously, that's all in. That was probably between these 3 buy and sell. It's about 70-80% returns on investment, which is darn good. There's a link in the description below. You can pick it up for $37. There's a 30-day, no questions asked refund. You basically get 30 days to try it for free. Let me show you this. This is a Solana chart. Approximately 17 days ago, my software said buy Solana. And by the way, it's up 100%. And it hasn't given a momentum down. It hasn't said basically it's time to sell yet. So Solana, it's crushing it. That's just an example for Solana. You can use my software for stocks too. Look, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. Gives you these perfect timed great indicators for that. So I told you what happened. I've showed you that SHIB's starting to move up. And this is kind of what I was talking about at the top of the video, right? I was talking about the fact that if you look at it, SHIB doesn't just go up, 30% in a day, right? It doesn't do that. So what it does is it goes up just a little bit. And remember, I showed you this earlier, like this right here, approximately 5-6 days ago, I'm sorry about, no, there's 7 days ago, it issued a buy, said buy now, and that was 8 days ago, and it's up 10+%. That's where I think most people miss the boat, is in the context of they're looking at, I'm waiting for it to go up 20% in a day, right? And that simply doesn't happen for a lot of these major assets like Solana. Remember, like remember that Solana example I gave you. This is just an example, but look, this is incremental moves up every single day, higher highs and higher lows. But you missed the opportunity if you didn't have, like, if you weren't using some type of a trading indicator software. Don't want to use mine, use somebody's, because they give you help and insight in when to buy and sell. And it's just one more asset, one more tool that helps you make more money in crypto and minimizes risk, takes away a lot of risk. Like, hey, you know, like Solana, I'm literally waiting for my software to say it's time to sell. And then I'm going to sell and make a really great return on that, right? SHIB's the same thing. Like, look, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. So that's what I wanted to say. I've told you that we would start to see SHIB and crypto move back up. Told you that yesterday. It is happening. This is kind of, the runway's been cleared here for us to continue to move up, because we got now November looking good as we roll into December, and then first quarter, all bets are off in a positive way, because we got the Bitcoin ETF approvals. We got Bitcoin halving coming in 2024, April, all that kind of stuff. Links in the description below. Go pick up my software. You have nothing to lose. 30 days, no questions asked. You basically get a 30-day free trial. That's really what it comes down to. Okay. By the way, that discount code down there can be used on monthly, quarterly, or even the annual option. Go make some money. I'll see you.